Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, magluluto na naman ako ng aming ulam. So, yung ulam namin ngayon is beef. So, first guys, mag-harvest muna tayo ng ating gulay dito sa aking rooftop garden. So, pak choy. So fresh and it's organic. So, di tayo gumagamit dito ng mga commercial na pataba, guys. It's all natural. And it's healthy. Alright, let's start. So, first, i-fry muna natin ng ating potato and carrots. So, yung beef din natin, guys, i-fry din natin ng konti para mawala yung lansa ng ating beef. And shout out nga pala sa aking mga super chatter, super sticker. Thank you always for sharing your blessing and for the support. Thank you also for all who support me watching my videos and supporting my live stream. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, guys. I'm so grateful for your support. And see you soon, guys, in my stream. And I hope you're still there. I miss you all. Malapit ng ma-fry yung ating beef. So, dito na rin po tayo mag-gigisa ng ating garlic, onion, and all the spices. Naglagay din pala ako dito ng turmeric, fresh turmeric. So, I'm so in love with the taste of turmeric, guys. I like it. It gives a different taste sa mga niluluto. So, mag-add din tayo dito ng konting soy sauce for taste. And then, bay leaf. Fresh din yung bay leaf ko kasi mayroon akong tanim niyan. At mag-add na rin tayo dito ng water. Kasi pakukuluan pa natin yan. Medyo matigas kasi yung meat na to. So, transfer ko to guys sa pressure cooker para mas madaling lumambot yung ating meat. And nag-add ako ng tomato paste. So, I like tomato paste than tomato sauce. Simmer lang natin yan hanggang sa lumapot ang ating sauce at ma-absorb yung lasa ng sauce sa ating meat para mas masarap. Then, i-add na natin yung ating potato. Medyo matigas pa yan, kaya pakuluin lang natin ng konti. I-add na rin natin ang ating ibang mga gulay like carrots. And i-add na rin natin ang ating leafy, yung pak choy na ating na-harvest. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys, and hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe everyone. Let's eat.